Hey everybody, I'm Sammy Gibbons, a reporter with the USA Today Network Wisconsin, bringing you today's Coronavirus 5 and 5. This is a quick rundown we're bringing you every weekday to touch on what you need to know about coronavirus in Wisconsin every day. Today in Wisconsin, there's 170 new cases announced this afternoon, bringing the state's total to 6,081 positive cases of COVID-19. And so far, there's 281 deaths. This is the second day of fewer cases since record-breaking numbers last week. And today, Governor Tony Evers loosened some restrictions on non-essential businesses. So he's allowing curbside pickup to begin at places like libraries. Self-service car washes can operate and more. But of course, at these places, CDC safety guidelines must be practiced. First up in some of our headlines, U.S. medical facilities fear a ventilator shortage could result in the same nightmares that we saw in Italy. To avoid that scenario, the U.S. has made getting more ventilators a national priority, but physicians have learned more about COVID-19 and with that have found some less invasive and less risky therapies may be just as effective and can help some patients heal faster. So doctors are becoming more conservative about putting severely ill patients on ventilators. What seems to be really helping, one physician says, is actually just changing the position of the patient, so putting them on their side or their stomach. You can check out the full story from the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel to learn more about these other practices. Next up, state business reporter Nusaibah Mazan wrote about some small business owners still waiting on relief loans. On April 3rd, the Small Business Administration launched the Paycheck Protection Program, which gives out forgivable loans for retaining employees, but that money quickly ran out. It ran out on April 16th. Small businesses across the state said they applied for the program as well as other economic injury disaster loans promptly, but many found the process confusing and said the way the money was distributed was disheartening. Wisconsin businesses join millions throughout the nation who are losing money, furloughing, or laying off employees as a result of stay-at-home orders and still waiting and hoping that some federal funding brings some relief. A Green Bay meatpacking plant temporarily closed after it was revealed to possibly Wisconsin's largest outbreak of COVID-19 at a single facility. JBS USA announced the beef plant would close on Sunday in an effort to help flatten the curve, according to a press release from the company. The number of confirmed cases in Brown County, of which Green Bay is the county seat, surpassed 800 on Monday, and at least 189 of those were linked to JBS Packerland. Advocates say the plant didn't take protective measures seriously early enough. What is coronavirus contact tracing, you might ask? Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel reporter Ashley Luthern has the answers. It's a straightforward yet time-consuming process that is critical to help stop the spread of coronavirus as it can help identify outbreaks and causes of clusters early. State and local officials have said if the process begins within 24 hours after a confirmed case, that will be key to reopening businesses and rolling back public health orders. Governor Tony Evers has asked for at least 1,000 people to be trained to work on contact tracing, which is part of the state's Badger Bounce Back plan to reopen the state economy. And lastly, we have a great subscription deal for you. So even when we're not coming at you live, you can keep up with the news. You can get a digital subscription to any USA Today Network Wisconsin website for just $5 for the first 3 months. By checking in on that, by supporting us, you're supporting local journalism and keeping yourself informed and safe. On there, you can get videos, photos, news, sports, anything you could ask for from a news source on your phone, tablet, computer, whatever you'd like. Please support us, support local journalism, just by clicking the subscribe button on a website like postcrescent.com. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you here tomorrow, 3 p.m. on any of the USA Today Network Wisconsin sites.